All right, guys, we have USD CAD here, and you can see that after market rejecting at this level several times, we finally got a push down, which broke below this level, indicating the beginning of a new direction once we broke this structure level. When we check the daily on USD CAD, we can clearly see the market was actually trending up, creating these higher highs and higher lows. So this is the time the market has actually taken a higher low level, and that's an indication that the market is likely to start a new direction. So let's go to the 4-hour. So what I'm looking now is this level. I'm looking at the possibility of the market grabbing this liquidity. Okay, so I want it to go a little bit down like this before we start an up move to create a lower high. Okay, obviously I expect the market to continue in a down direction, because after the rejection from this level, we created a lower low, and the market made higher low here. Look at how perfectly it came to test the supply level. Let me delete all these things so that you see it clearly. Look at the supply here. Look at how perfectly the market came to test, and we had a very strong rejection. This indicates the massive presence of sellers on USD CAD. So obviously my long-term bias is on a sell, but I wouldn't sell at this low price. Remember, when the market is trending down, creating lower lows and lower highs, after every lower low, your best bet is to buy the market instead of selling. Because if you are selling somewhere here, you'll be selling too low. You understand? So yes, on USD CAD, I'm looking for a buy. Okay, I'm not just going to buy blindly. Okay, I need to wait for a pattern. I need to wait for confirmation before I execute a buy on USD CAD. I want to also know what you guys think on USD CAD so that we can conclude on what to do. Share your opinions on USD CAD. I'm thinking that we are going to see some buys when market comes to this level, to create a lower high before we start the down. As always, you guys, let me also know what you think. This is what I think on USD CAD, and I want you to also share your opinions on it. Peace out, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, this is called the absolute power of technical analysis. Watch how the market is pushing up after it has swept all the liquidity at the bottom. I definitely know some of you guys will use this wick right here. Those of you who have studied some ICT, but you could clearly see my line was a little bit below. Okay, I put it on the 80 level, because this market is all about numbers. And if you are pretty good with numbers, then you're going to make a lot of killings in this market. So yes, at this point, I expect USD CAD to go up. Okay, we've seen the presence of buyers around this level, but I'm not done. Okay, I have to go to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour, even though the market is pushing up, but you can see that I've marked this level. This is a clear supply zone which can push the market down again. It does not mean that I'm going to execute a sell, because I don't want any sales on USD CAD as of now, because the market could only come to this level, gather more liquidity. Okay, I mean, if you expect the market to go a certain number of pips, then it also needs to gather a certain number of orders. You understand? So yes, it could continue up, or maybe this supply here could just take it down again, gather more liquidity, all right? Maybe consolidate for some time before we even get a final move. Whatever happens, I'll keep an eye on USD CAD. I've been doing this for so many years, so whatever is happening now is not really new to me. I mean, this is the perfect results you get if you have put in a lot of work, okay, over 7 years of doing this. So there is nothing new here. It keeps happening and repeating itself over and over again. That's why I entreat and advise you guys, if you are struggling with your trading, just apply for the one-on-one mentorship, and I can promise you, you are never going to regret it. So let's keep an eye on USD CAD and see how it goes. Peace out, guys.